you know, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna do it in the app. Let me see how I can do it. Stay tuned. Okay, I opened up my app. Let's get this update installed. Install now, 45 minutes. You guys are gonna wait 45 minutes. Install. Okay, I'm gonna speed up this process. I still haven't figured out how to triple tap and get this to go quickly. I guess I gotta go into the car, but I'll speed up this process.
One eternity later.
Alright, this update seems to be the same thing. Navigate, which I'm loving. The keys, improvement of regenerative braking, key fobs. What? I don't have one. Hopefully they give us one for free. I wouldn't mind. What version is this? Let me see. 2018.42.4. Like and subscribe to my channel. I get all these updates always connected to Wi-Fi. If you're interested in buying a Tesla, use my referral code. Link is in the description. Peace.